These days, Paris Jackson is all grown up and starting a career of her own as a 19-year-old model, but she has not forgotten her roots. She posted a very personal photo of her late father, Michael Jackson, on what would be his 59th birthday. Paris says, quote, "I will never feel love again the way I did with you. You are always with me and I am always with you. Though I am not you and you are not me, I know with all of my being that we are one, and our souls will never change in that way. Thank you for the magic, forever and always." Paris also made a memorable appearance at the 2017 Video Music Awards, preaching tolerance and love and speaking out against the white supremacists that recently rallied in Charlottesville. She says, quote, "We have zero tolerance for their violence, their hatred, and their discrimination. We must resist. We have a feeling MJ would be proud." From famous and wealthy to the latest Belfie, come subscribe and like us to get the best celebrity news in the game.